Hey, Mike here, Benny Keith, bringing you a couple of new products from 3M. Some of you may have seen them before, but these are new to a lot of people on how to use them and the availability of them. The first one is the 3M Griddle Kit that comes with all of the tools, the scrubbers, and the solution for the griddle. Then basically you can buy just the chemical that does the cleaning all by itself. So real quick, they're high temp, the scrubber's high temp. The liquid, you have to have a 300-degree griddle top, and it even comes with a squeegee, which most don't, but this one actually does. It's a high temp squeegee. And it all comes in the 3M kit. This is a complete kit that can be purchased from Benny Keith. The second one is the 3M scrubbers. There's two different scrubbers. There's the heavy duty scrubber and the medium duty scrubber. Both are great because they have a heavy duty, really aggressive scrubber on one side and then the lighter scrubber on the other side. This one is the light duty that you can use in certain areas where you would use green scrubbers. The difference here is these scrubbers have more fibers, so they hold up longer and give you more life and longevity. The last item that we have from Scotch Brite, the new degreaser that comes in a cloth. Great thing about this is it's disposable. You wipe it and you go. It's a stainless steel hood degreaser, but it also works on equipment. It's got Scotch Guard in it, so it actually makes it easier each time you clean. So with that, it's a great product. For me, you don't get degreaser in your fryer or in places you don't want to have degreaser overspray. Thank you very much. Have a great day.